Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make salsa in a molcajete. First, gather your fresh ingredients like ripe tomatoes, chilies, and garlic. Begin by roasting these on a hot comal or cast iron pan until they are softened and slightly charred. This crucial step deepens their flavor and makes them much easier to grind. Ensure an even roast for the best taste. Now, let's get to the molcajete. Start by grinding a clove of garlic with a pinch of salt until it forms a smooth paste. Next, add your roasted chilies, crushing them firmly against the stone to release their heat and flavor. Finally, introduce the roasted tomatoes, mashing them gently to achieve your desired consistency. This layering builds complex flavors. To elevate your salsa, it's time for fresh additions. Stir in some finely chopped fresh cilantro and a small amount of diced white onion. These ingredients add a wonderful texture and a burst of freshness. Taste your salsa and adjust the seasoning with more salt if needed. A squeeze of fresh lime juice can also brighten all the flavors beautifully. Your delicious homemade molcajete salsa is now ready to enjoy. Serve it fresh with warm tortilla chips or as a vibrant accompaniment to your favorite tacos, quesadillas, or grilled meats. The unique texture and rich flavors from the molcajete truly make this salsa special. Store any remaining salsa in an airtight container for up to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.